CloneBuddy AI. Hey there, welcome to my CloneBuddy AI review. In this video, we are going to dive into a demo of the app in action, just to go over how it works and the pros and cons of this approach, and basically go over the main features of exactly what you get with CloneBuddy AI. Before we dive in, just to let you know, my name is Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit, and I earn a full-time income online with digital marketing. I've been doing this from home for well over 10 years now, seeing lots of these different systems come and go in that time. So hopefully all that experience will help you out as you research CloneBuddy AI Reviews. Also, if you want to discover my number one system to plug into right now for generating a realistic income online, then click the link below. Click the Web Traffic Toolkit link in the video description below for my current number one recommended online system. It's a complete done-for-you system, and it's a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic, and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So check out that link in the video description below for that top recommended online system. So with CloneBuddy AI, basically the way the system works is you enter a website URL and it will clone the website, the layout, the images, and the ad copy and everything onto the CloneBuddy AI drag and drop editor. So then you can edit it step by step, starting with someone else's website or a website of your own that you can clone, then use that as a template to edit and create your own new website from that. Or it could also be used for if you're changing hosts. Instead of downloading the files to your hard drive and then re-uploading them to a new hosting account, you could use CloneBuddy AI to literally clone across using the publicly available URL. So it could be an alternative method to changing hosts and websites and domains using CloneBuddy AI. So whilst on the sales page it mentions you could even clone your competitors' high converting pages, when you actually get into the members area to start using the software, it basically comes up and says there's a box that says I confirm that this page belongs to me, or I have permission to use it. So that would mean they don't really want you using this website to clone other people's websites because of the potential ethical or legal issues associated with that. So it's quite strange that on the sales page they say you can clone competitor websites, but when you actually get into the members area, they have a box to confirm that you're only using it for your own website or website you have permission to clone. It's a kind of a grey area if you're simply copying and pasting someone's template. Example, a good landing page template or a good bridge page or a review page or even a sales page. If you copied and pasted over that template to your own hosting and then edited it enough to make it unique, whether that is still okay, because you're still kind of using the code and template of someone else's website. But if you make the content, images and everything unique, maybe that would be okay, but it's still a grey area. I think the best idea is to get inspiration from other people's sales pages and the funnels they've got set up in their websites, and then just manually use that as inspiration, as a template to create your own websites, but not using cloning software really, but just manually using your own tools to create a similar feel, but it's not going to be exactly the same. You'll manually build it up step by step. I still think that's probably the best way to approach it. But CloneBuddy AI and these AI cloning tools seem to be geared more towards people cloning their own websites than cloning other people's websites that are already converting well. In addition to this cloning tool, once you've actually got the website cloned onto your host, you've then got this WordPress style drag and drop editor where you can click each section and it can be edited. You can edit the image, the graphics, the text by using this drag and drop editor. So everything that previously appeared on the website you want to clone will now become a block in this editor, and then you can change it. And I think that's a really good starting point for creating a sales page, is to copy and paste a sales page that's already working using a template, and then you use the blocks to edit it out step by step to make it unique to what you are promoting. There's also a number of other tools packaged into CloneBuddy AI, including the ability to clone videos, then re-upload them as your own. You can even edit the videos, add text and ads, and clickable links, for example, in the videos with the AI video clone tool. You've got an AI website builder, which means you can actually build a website from scratch instead of having to clone one that already exists. Again, the website builder is mainly searching through a library of done for you WordPress templates, selecting your best one for your niche, and then you're using a drag and drop editor to build out each of the sections. So it's not really AI creating your website, it's more of a search function for templates they give you. You've got an AI content writer, an AI copywriter, and an AI chatbot where you basically give prompts to the chatbot and it can write you content and sales pages and things like that. You can also search stock footage within the software, and you can use that stock footage for your videos, blog posts, and however, or even the photos on your sales pages and bridge pages, for example. So there's quite a lot of useful tools all packaged into CloneBuddy AI in addition to the actual website cloning approach. I think it's best to use this for your own websites that you want to change host or clone something that's already working for you. I think it's a grey area to clone a competitor website. I think you should more use competitors' marketing. Definitely, it's well worth researching what competitors are doing. That's one of the easiest and quickest ways to get your own profitable campaign up and running. But I think just use it as inspiration and as a template to build upon, rather than something to copy and paste as your own and then only make a few tweaks. But there's definitely some pros and cons and some benefits as part of using the CloneBuddy AI type of approach. If you want to discover more about how I've been earning a full-time income online consistently for well over 10 years now, very much focused on traffic generation, list building, and affiliate programs, then click the link below. Click the Web Traffic Toolkit link in the video description below. That's my number one system, a complete done-for-you system, and a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic, and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click that link in the video description below for that top recommended online system. Thanks again for checking out my CloneBuddy AI review. All the best and speak soon.